Hi, so today I want to show you a nice video that will support moving energy through the body. This is a great cleansing exercise, but it can also be used as a balancing or energizing exercise. So we're going to do it as both. So I'm going to take you through pulling down the heavens, which is a way of bringing energy down from above all the way through the body, down to your feet. So let's take a moment and just get a nice posture for yourself. Let your feet be about shoulder width and parallel. Imagine your shoulders between your toes, big toes. So you feel nice and stable. Let your knees bend and then bring your hands down. And we'll start by breathing in, and you're going to imagine you can grab energy from the earth with your palms. Turn the hands forward to grab nature. Turn them up to grab some from the sky. And give a little wash over the front of the body, washing away stress, washing away tension, and send it all the way down into the earth. And again, gathering from earth, nature as your hands come forward, turn them up to grab the divine above. And let's imagine washing down the back of the body, head, neck, shoulders, spine, buttocks, and legs, all the way down to your feet and into the earth. One more time, grabbing energy. Like your hands have suction cups and you're grabbing chi, and then you're going to pull it right through the crown of the head, center of the throat, all the way down through the chest, the torso, the pelvis, the legs, through the feet, and into the earth. Good. Let's continue. Let's do it again. Let's gather more energy from earth, nature, and the sky. And this time, let's wash some fresh energy down the front. Let's bring some more chi into the body and let it fill right here at the navel. Like you have a big cauldron there to gather it all up. And again, gathering from earth and nature, the divine above, and washing down the back. And get a sense of that flowing in right into your kidneys, the lower back, recharging your energetic batteries. And one more time, inhale. Going right through the crown of the head, center of the throat, filling up your organs, muscles, bones, tendons, nerves, your blood, all the way down into that cauldron. And we're going to do it 3 more times. So let's gather earth, nature, and sky. And this time, let's support the whole physical body. Get the sense of your whole physical body filling with chi, all the way down to your feet. And gather earth, nature, and sky. And now let's support the energy body. That's the energy that beats your heart and helps you breathe, helps your brain function, works, moves your digestion. And let that go all the way down. And one final time, inhale, earth, nature, and sky. And let's go right through what we call the spiritual body, which is the mystery, all the mystery, and the energies that flow around you and within you, all the way down to your feet. Good. And just take a moment just to notice that and breathe. So you can make it almost like a full workout. You first clear out the stuck energy, add a little bit more, and then balance out the whole body. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.